Hi, to change font style on your iOS 18 iPhone, as a first step we would need to open settings on our phone. And now as a next step, here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General. So by clicking on it, here scroll down again and look for a tab which is named Just Fonts. So by clicking on this tab here, as you can see, we got two tabs, which is System Fonts and My Fonts. In the tab which is named My Fonts, you'd be able to find all of the fonts that you have installed from third parties, for example like App Store or any other. And now if we will go back here, we got this first tab which is named System Fonts, and here you'd be able to find a really huge list with a lot of interesting and different fonts for your phone. But the thing is that you can't set these fonts as your phone fonts. You can just use them in any typing application, for example mail, messages, or any other messenger that you can think of. So let me show you how to use it. Here, for example, we got this font which is named American Typewriter, and by clicking on it here you can see that this exact font got 7 typefaces. So these are little changes to the style of this font. For example, this is how the light looks, and now if we will go back, here we got bold, which is a little bit more easier to see, and now 5 more, for example regular or consented bold. So now to use these fonts that you have downloaded in the settings, you can easily download it by clicking on this blue download button. So to use them, we would need to open any typing message. For example, I'll take mail. Now I'll click on the mail to open my keyboard, and here you can notice this button which is responsible for the style of font. And by clicking on it here you can see a lot of settings, and also this button which currently has text default font. And by clicking on it here we would be able to use any other font that is available on your phone. So for example, we got here the American Typewriter that I showed you before, and here we can just simply start texting, and you'd be able to notice that this font is looking a little bit different than the default one on your phone. So let me show it to you once more. Yes, here is it. Here is the difference. So you can see that these two fonts are different, and this is the American Typewriter and this is the default one. And like this, you can send emails or messages with your custom fonts. And this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and have a great day.